Java's var keyword looks like JavaScript, but it's completely different. Let's clear up the confusion. The var keyword enables local variable type inference introduced in Java 10. Instead of writing the full type, the compiler infers it from the initializer. For example, instead of ArrayList of string equals new ArrayList, you write varList equals new ArrayList of string. The compiler looks at the right side and automatically determines the type. This reduces boilerplate while keeping all the type safety Java is known for. But var has strict limits. It only works for local variables inside methods. You cannot use var for class fields, method parameters, or return types. This restriction keeps var simple and ensures type information stays visible where it matters most, like method signatures. Here's the crucial difference from JavaScript. Java's var is still statically typed. Once the compiler infers the type, it's locked in. You can't reassign a different type later. JavaScript's var is dynamically typed, meaning the same variable can hold any type at runtime. Java enforces compile time type checking, so var is just syntactic sugar, not a paradigm shift. Two key requirements: var must be initialized at declaration, and the initializer must provide enough information for the compiler to infer the type. You can't write var x equals null or var y without an assignment. The compiler needs concrete type information to do its job. Remember, Java's var is compile time type inference for local variables only, not dynamic typing. Master this, and you'll write cleaner code without sacrificing type safety. Practice using var in your next project. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.